In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share screen on Microsoft Teams. To get started, open Microsoft Teams and join or start your meeting. You can do this in the desktop app or in the web app, since the screen sharing steps are the same in both. Once you are inside the meeting, take a moment to confirm you are fully connected and that you can see the meeting controls, usually along the top or bottom of the meeting window. Before you share anything, it helps to prepare your screen. Close or minimize anything private, like personal messages, notifications, or files you do not want others to see. If you plan to present something specific, open it ahead of time so it is ready to select. This makes your share smoother and reduces delays while everyone is watching. Now, look for the share button in the meeting controls. It often looks like a rectangle with an arrow, or it may simply say Share. Click Share to open the sharing options. When the Share menu appears, you will see choices for what you can present. Click the option labeled Screen, Window, or Tab. This is where you decide how much you want your audience to see. If you choose Screen, you will share your entire display. This is useful if you need to switch between multiple apps during your presentation, but it also means anything that appears on your screen can be visible to others. If you choose a window, you will share only one specific application window, which is usually safer and more focused. If you choose a tab, you will share a single browser tab, which is great for presenting a website or an online document without exposing the rest of your browser. After selecting Screen, Window, or Tab, confirm the selection so Teams begins sharing it to the meeting. Once sharing starts, keep your presentation content in the foreground so it stays easy for others to follow. Speak steadily as you navigate and avoid rapid switching to prevent viewers from losing track. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.